It had been a landmark on the Sussex coast since the 19th century, but in 2006, Hastings Pier was falling apart. Using its emergency powers, the council decided to close it on safety grounds. For 3 months, businesses operating on the pier were left out of pocket, among them Stylus Sports, which owned a bingo hall and arcade. The company eventually went into liquidation in 2012. Now its representatives are claiming compensation of around £5 million.
They lost entire income, which was millions of pounds. They were on the brink of buying new units in the Midlands and even in Ireland, and all those acquisitions had to be halted at the time. And Stylus at the time had built itself up to be the biggest leisure business in the South East, employing lots of people.
In court today, Hastings Borough Council contested the claim, arguing that Stylus Sports already knew the pier was unsafe before the council closed it and shouldn't have allowed the public onto its premises.
What the council doesn't want to do is pay lots of public money if it really doesn't have to. If we have to pay compensation, and that's clearly a matter for the courts and the arbitrators, then so be it. But I absolutely defend our right to close the pier and to do what we've done, because at the end of the day, public safety must come first. We couldn't have had up to 2,000, mainly younger people, going to a pop concert on the pier and then disappearing into the sea. That would have been horrendous. I just don't think we can be criticised for taking the action we did.
Today's hearing at the Supreme Court is the latest after years of legal wrangling. In 2013, the High Court said Hastings Borough Council should pay compensation. The council appealed and lost again at the Court of Appeal in 2014. This challenge is their last chance. Judges will give their final ruling in a few weeks' time. Hastings Borough Council says if it loses this case, it's council taxpayers who may well end up having to foot the bill. Andrea Thomas, ITV News at the Supreme Court.